Did you know that astronauts have reported hearing mysterious sounds in space that NASA couldn't explain for decades? In 1965, astronaut Wally Schirra was orbiting Earth when he heard strange metallic banging. It was rhythmic, persistent. He radioed mission control in a panic, convinced something was wrong with the capsule. But everything checked out. The sounds kept coming. Then in 1969, Apollo 10 astronauts experienced the same thing. As they orbited the moon, all three heard eerie outer space noises. Whistling, whooshing, like something was scraping against their hull. They were terrified. One astronaut said it sounded like outer space itself was haunting them. The astronauts didn't report it immediately. They feared NASA would ground them, think they were losing their minds. But the sounds were undeniably real. They checked every system. Nothing explained it. For years, it remained unsolved. A cosmic mystery floating above our planet. Then finally, NASA revealed the truth. The sounds were simply radio interference between the astronauts' headsets. Just waves crossing paths in the void. But here's the thing. Those astronauts didn't know that at the time. Floating 250,000 miles from Earth, alone in the darkness, hearing unexplained noises with no explanation. That fear was real. That isolation was real. Space had revealed one of its secrets, but only after terrifying the men brave enough to venture there.